That device on the piano, something's just sitting right by the piano. Who's standing by the piano? Does anybody want to come step forward? How about the spirit that was moving the dowsing rods earlier on? Like I said, my name is Brian. We have...
Carefully.
Carefully. Carefully about what? The spirits in town, I'm pretty sure, hopefully you know who we are. We're here out of respect. Like I said, we have several devices set throughout the property that you can use to communicate with us. Anybody that's here, we know there are at least 5 of you here. Does anybody want to step forward and communicate with us? Like I said, we're here to tell your story. We're here out of nothing. 4. Which 4? We know Wyatt likes to come down this way, and so does Virgil. All right. Turn off that light next to me. Thank you. What was that?
Nobody, if I hadn't got that on film, nobody would believe me.
That was beautiful.
This is standard for us.
It doesn't bother me. It's just amazing to actually see it again.
Empty.
What's empty?
What's empty? Are we talking about the mines? It's not Virgil, is it?
We should probably get some old forest or some rock out of here instead of that port.
Oh, his cup is empty.
Yeah, that's what it is. He wants it poured. That's the kid.
I'm just gonna.
Ready?
So what we're talking about, there's a bottle
Right next
and
to the
cup up by the piano,
Yeah.
and that cup is empty.
Yeah. Yeah.
Not the yet.
Yeah. In honor of.
What do you mean yet? Not yet? Hey, Kirk, would you mind grabbing the music box off the far table in the back room? I'm trying to set it by the piano real quick, please.
So, Paul,
Yeah.
the girl's name was Ellie or Ella?
I forget.
I think it was Ellie.
Yeah, I
Ellie?
think so too.
She might respond.
Exception.
Exception.
Could have been Elena.
Yep.
And kill that one. Just hit the
On the table here or on the...
on the piano, please.
Do you want me to film the?
Yeah, and hit the switch on that one sensor. No, turn that back on. Hit that switch on that sensor. Turn that sensor off. Whoever's no, that one off, please.
I think we just need to put it out there. We got some newbies with us.
We have a couple of people that were kind of trying to their first time going out with us.
Advise.
Yeah, you guys are smart, Alex.
Thank you, because that was the word I was looking for.
You guys like that music box? There's the music box that's sitting on the piano right now. Whoever's by the piano that was sitting there turning on the other device we have sitting there, go ahead and if you can play some music for us, please.
Sad.
Why are you sad? Why are we sad? Those lights right there, turn off that device. Turn off those lights, please. Thank you. They're kind of bright. If you can go ahead and turn those off, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you. If it takes you guys a minute to warm up to us, we understand that this is our first time here. That light next to me, the gentleman that's sitting in the chair next to me, go ahead and turn off that light, please. No, I said turn it off. Thank you.
Economics.
Let's talk business.
Turn off.
Saving
Saving money.
You want to talk business? Are we talking what business? Economics? Are we talking mines? Are we talking silver? Are we talking anything to do with a saloon? Or is this the new gentleman that's actually at the
Glass.
Glass.
Yeah.
It's empty.
And we said saloons and we said glass. All right, we are talking about something to do with the saloons.
Mm-hmm.
If that is the case, if we're talking something to do with saloons, turn on one of the three devices that's sitting in the room right now, either one of the lights, the music box, or turn on that light that's next to me. You already know how to do that if you
Directly.
can. Directly.
So direct one.
Go ahead and turn on that light that's on the table next to me, next to that lamp, please. You guys are capable of doing it. You've done it before. Or would you like us to switch to a different line of questioning where it's easier, where you just answer yes or no?
F.
Half.
That didn't make sense.
Economics, half and glass.
Elaborate, please. Please elaborate. On the video, for those of you that don't know, we are in downtown Tombstone right now in the historic district. So you guys will hear background noise, you will hear street noise and things of that nature. The chirp